Hello to everybody at home who is remote learning this week. Big hello from us here at Elaine who is still in school. It's been a bit of a strange week this week and things have been a little bit different, but we're really proud of all of you for showing the value of resilience this week and just getting on with your work as usual. So well done to everybody. It's been great to hear from your teachers that we've seen you on Zoom calls. It's been great to see lots of different examples of your learning too. And we've been doing lots of great learning in school as well. So this week, our value that we were looking at in our assembly was excellence. And some of our Year 6 children are going to tell you about how they show excellence in their work.
Hi guys, my name's Elijah, and the way I show excellence is by playing football and doing my best all the time. And if any of you guys want to play football when you're older, try your best and never give up.
I show excellence by practicing skills to get a better technique.
I show excellence in my handwriting by making it neat and taking my time.
Hello, my name is Jaden, and I show excellence by doing art and always taking my time and always try to do the best I can do.
And now it's time for our merits this week. Let's see what we've been learning about at school and at home. So our first one here is from Mr. Paul. Mr. Paul would like to give a merit to Mia in Year 6 for showing great enthusiasm with her home learning this week and demonstrating the value of excellence. Well done. And I've actually seen some examples of Mia's work this week and it's been brilliant. So well done, Mia. Really proud of you. Our second merit that Mr. Paul would like to give for home learning in Year 6 is for Kenzie. Well done, Kenzie. You've been trying really hard with your home learning and it has been great to see pictures of everything you've been learning. Well done. It's really great to hear you showing that value of resilience. Well done, Kenzie. Miss Ola and Miss Swire would like to give a merit to Amy for using subject-specific vocabulary to explain her answers. Also for demonstrating excellence during the first week of home learning. So great to see so many of you using our value of excellence this week. And Miss Ola and Miss Swire would also like to award a merit to Jake for demonstrating a growth mindset in maths. You have been resilient and have approached the topic positively. Well, that's great to hear that you've got such a positive attitude during these times where things are a little bit different. Mr. Edwards would like to give an award to Maisie. Well done, Maisie, for demonstrating a positive mindset in class this week. You have shown a lot of effort and been a motivated learner. Well done. That's a great start to 2021. Super. Really great to hear there's lots of positive mindset going on. Miss Menday would like to give one to Oliver Earl for showing great mindset in adapting to changes with the classroom and for his brilliant vocabulary during class discussions. Super, well done, Oliver. Miss Johnson would like to give a merit to Teresa for her outstanding attitude towards her times tables this week. Oh, I wonder how many people at home have been practicing their times tables. She has been displaying the character skill of wonder by showing drive to learn her times tables fluently and confidently. Well done. That is something that we all need to do. We all need to practice our times tables. Well done. We can all be like Teresa. Miss Johnson also would like to give an award to Miley for her hard work with her home learning this week. She has gone above and beyond and produced some beautiful work displaying excellence even when she's at home. So that's really great that although some of you are at home at the moment, you're still showing that Elaine ethic of excellence. Well done. And going above and beyond. I'd love to see what you've been up to, Miley. Miss Parsons has an award here for Louis in Sapphire class for his positive attitude and mindset to his learning this week. Well done. Lots of positivity out there. And also Miss Parson has one here for Amy Nico in Diamonds. Superb. For showing collaboration when working with others and sharing her ideas. It's great to share your ideas. It's where the best ones come from. I've got one here for some learners in school this week. This one is for Jaden in Year 6 for working collaboratively and showing excellence to create a timeline of events in American history of the civil rights movement. And we've actually got his timeline up on our wall in the classroom. It's been a great help to everybody else. Well done, Jaden. Great start to the year. Miss Swire has one here for Jack for excellent definitions of our key terms in reading this week. He has clarified meanings to the rest of Year 4 and explained his answers in detail. Super. It sounds like we've got a future teacher amongst us. Well done, Jack. Miss Swire also has one for Tia for her thoughtful and carefully reasoned responses in her English work this week. She has used subject-specific vocabulary to discuss endangered animals and their habitats. Sounds like a really interesting topic that you've got there, Tia. Well done. I've also got another one here for another Year 6 who is learning in school at the moment, and that's Chloe. Chloe always shows the value of excellence in all of her work. She has produced some beautiful work in school this week in English and in history. Well done, Chloe. Mrs. Barnes would like to give Logan an achievement award in Elm class for trying his best and asking for help even when he was finding maths a bit challenging. Well done for showing resilience. And Miss Midgley would like to award a certificate to Arabella for sharing her ideas and trying really hard with her writing this week. Well done, Arabella. Now on to Year 5, and Miss Lacker would like to give an award to Holly for showing and demonstrating the value of excellence in all of her learning this week. Well done. Another person who's been shown excellence. Great work, Holly. And Miss Lacker would also like to give a certificate to Oliver Wade for his enthusiastic approach to remote learning this week. He's been extremely proactive and has shared lots of his fantastic learning with us. Well done. So that's all of our merits for this week. It's been so great to hear all of these people who are still working hard and still showing our Elaine values, even though things have been a little bit different. So next week, we hope to see you all back in school if you're coming to school, or on your Zoom calls, accessing your home learning. We want you all to keep up the great work and keep up that positive mindset that so many of you have got at the moment. So that's it from me now. We'll see you soon. Bye.